holding truth in environments that distort it. For professionals navigating reality distortion at work, take a slow breath in and out, let your shoulders drop. Now picture this. You're in a team meeting, the project just failed metrics, or clear customer complaints flooding in revenue down. But your boss says, this was a tremendous learning opportunity. We should celebrate our bold approach. People around the table nod. Someone says, such great innovation. You feel your stomach turn. Reality is being rewritten in real time. You raised concerns 3 months ago, dismissed as negativity. You documented risks, ignored as not being a team player. Now the exact thing you predicted happened. But instead of acknowledgement, there's spin. You sit there thinking, am I crazy? Am I the problem? Maybe I should just go along. That's the moment when you start doubting your own perception, because everyone around you pretends not to see. Here's what's happening. This is organizational gaslighting. Systems that can't handle truth create cultures where truth becomes negativity, concerns become disloyalty, and clear seeing becomes career liability. You start questioning your judgment, your memory, your sanity, because when everyone denies what you clearly see, doubting yourself feels easier. But here's truth. You're not crazy. Your clear clarity in reality-distorting environments feels like madness because it is the only sane response. Now imagine understanding differently. You're not negative. You're accurate, not a bad team player operating in reality, not broken. The system is. That tension you feel is your integrity refusing to break, and you don't have to choose between speaking loudly or abandoning truth. There's a third path. Holding truth privately while navigating strategically. 4 principles that protect you. 1. Keep a reality log. Document what actually happens. Meeting dates, decisions, predicted outcomes, actual outcomes. Your private anchor to reality when others rewrite history. 2. Distinguish strategic silence from self-betrayal. Not speaking every truth is survival, believing their version is erosion. Stay quiet in meetings without adopting their narrative internally. 3. Find external validators, people outside this system who confirm you're not crazy, this is real. 4. Build your exit while staying sane. Reality-distorting environments don't heal. Your job is preparing departure without losing yourself. What not to do. Don't try to make them see. Don't think you can fix it from inside. Don't stay silent so long you forget truth. Don't announce your exit before you're ready. For yourself. I see what I see, even if no one acknowledges it. Strategic silence doesn't mean internal surrender. My clarity is not negativity, it's accuracy. For professional moments. When reality gets rewritten, interesting perspective. Let me think about that. When concerns get dismissed, I appreciate you hearing me out. When labeled negative, I'm focused on sustainable outcomes. When pressed for agreement, I understand that's the direction we're going. Then document what you actually saw. Why these work. Interesting perspective. Acknowledges without agreeing, buys space without committing to fiction. I understand that's the direction. Confirms their decision without endorsing it as correct. Strategic ambiguity. Professionally acceptable while internally honest. You survive professionally without betraying yourself internally. Not lying, not adopting their reality, navigating until you can leave. Starting today. Create your reality log, private factual, your sanity anchor. Identify one external validator outside the system. Update your resume quietly, knowing you could leave protects your mind. Notice when you're performing agreement versus actually agreeing. That distinction keeps you whole. Picture yourself 8 months from now. Different environment where naming problems isn't career suicide. Someone asks your opinion. You say what you think, people engage, build on it. Thank you for raising it. You realize you're not speaking differently, the environment is. And you remember that Thursday meeting where you stayed silent. You don't feel shame. You feel grateful you protected yourself while planning your exit. Because holding truth privately when speaking it publicly would have destroyed you, brought you here, where truth doesn't have to whisper. Take one slow breath in and out. Remember, seeing clearly is not negativity. Strategic silence is not surrender. You can hold truth privately while surviving publicly. I see what I see. I trust my perception. I'm building my way out. Open your eyes when you're ready.